Special reporter Amonto Mubaranguzi ku 96.3 Tifamba.
Mere. Wano wenjogerera bino betambula wengidde ku musajja wange Kabale aleka serebu gwanya amanyase
amanya bampita Master Lafate Fuligino name Safari John.
Okola mulimu ki?
Ndi muyimbi naye ame brick maker nkuba matafali.
Mwamukabola obutafali obuzungu. Kati soko mbulire mu butafali mukola mu wamanya ki gwanga na buli mu shape za njawulo.
Olaba matafali. Olina kubanga ogapanga bulungi. Lwakuba baagala waliwo osanga nga baagala 6/9 9 by 3 nge gunde tafali ejo nga baagala kuva kale nga gauge nga wojimanyi eyebere ya 3 length times width zono zisanga mu matafali ulira ate no damu no sanga mu paisogola siolem
bakanda banki.
A man who came with 3, 4, 5 triangles, I named them A squared plus B squared equaling C squared over to the what? The hypotenuse. Find out the other what? Another side.
Eyo kubidi.
Perimeter kugamba side plus what?
Haya bas.
Plus side. Choche nyine chetafali.
Utafali si wangu. Kali soko nkokere mwawo soko ondage ko choyinawo. Okay, 1 2 3 go. Watch this.
Yo people. Akanyasi kale ntanguro tutamushakulu di plus mga kalisi people. This is Master Lafate Fuligino names humigata people. Another man made in Kabale Kagrama direct. I love Uganda plus the whole of the country. I'm standing here Akanyasi kale people. It is just I want to gush out you my song which is written on my major Burongota act.
Come again. What is your name? Come again. What is your name? Tell them one more time, my friend.
Mr. Master, Lafate.
Kimala muganda wangi.
Special reporter Amonto Mubaranguzi ku 96.3 Tifamba.